Tired of bashing your lock nuts with your lineman? Use the Nut Snugger, designed to tighten and loosen lock nuts in hard-to-reach places. The Nut Snugger tightens lock nuts easily, without damaging equipment or connectors. It also relieves the problem of hard-to-reach lock nuts when tightening connectors, with the 3/8" ratchet compatibility and internal magnets. Apprentice called in sick? The Nut Snugger is designed for reaching tight places when working solo. With its rare earth magnets and precision-cut teeth, it grips onto lock nuts without the need for a second person. The 3/8" drive also makes it compatible with 3/8" ratchets, as well as any adjustable wrench, tongue and groove pliers, or box wrench. Available in both 1/2" and 3/4" separately, or both as a kit. The Nut Snugger is proudly made in the USA. Get the job done when working solo and quit the lock nut bashing with the Nut Snugger. Get it from your local Racketeers distributor at racketeers.com or racketeers.ca if you're in Canada.